Hello everybody, today I've been given the pleasure to unbox the new INNAIO AI translator. I've recently been given this and I've been asked to make a simple unboxing about the entire product, the features, and of course what actually comes within the box. There are definitely a lot of stuff. I've already went and checked it out myself and it's phenomenal. I'm probably going to give it to either one of my parents because this will help a lot, especially to those who work, as it does a lot of stuff. Supported by very big names like ChatGPT and Llama, as you could see right there. There's a voice mirror. There's a cross-app translation, meaning that you can translate from messages or WhatsApp, for example, to the app, or to the app to messages, all by holding this little button. And I'll of course show you everything. There is a meeting transcriptions with minutes. You can transcribe and keep everything saved. There's a voice clone to put your own voice so you could hear your own voice talking back to you. Like I said, cross-app translation, and then of AI real-time translation. There's so much to actually do. This of course can work on many different phones, as to why they give you this, but if you have the higher phones with the MagSafe, you can just simply install this to the back of your phone. If you don't, then you could use the magnet they give you with their little sticker. But other than that, you would just simply have to install their app using the QR code. There's a lot laced around here, so you could just install it. Here's the charging cable. Of course, it is a Type-C, meaning it's going to be very fast. As to why they give you this, because this is the future. But as of right now, this is all I see in the box. And like I said, we actually have the main product right over here. If I pop it out right in front of you, beautiful product. You would just simply stick this on the back of your phone, like I said, stick it on there, or you would have this would be connected, and then as you can see, it sticks and you stick it to your phone, and then you have your little button to capture or to save or to start the video. Everything is used through this little device. But that is everything that comes within the box. In the next scene, I will be having an extra phone with me, and pretty much I will be showing you how the product actually works and how each thing they promise you, how it actually moves from this to this. But that is pretty much it. I will go download the app now and let's test everything out. Thank you guys. I'll see you guys in a second. Hello everybody, I have officially cleared up my workspace as promised, and I have officially set up the app. Now, it's very simple. If you just simply take in your phone and then you take in the device that they give you, by simply sticking this on the back using either their sticker and magnet, or using just the phone's compatibility of MagSafe, by simply holding this in the back, you will see a green label here, pretty much meaning that the actual device has connected, where there will be a Bluetooth symbol here. You would select your device and then you would connect it, as simple as that. But this is the INNAIO Pro app. So first thing that we could check out is their account. This is where how you could check your usage record, my device, app, and language. Everything will be set here. So first thing to check out is, let's just keep everything off. Right now, let's check out the text. Now this is simple, just translate. I could just say hi, turn it in, click translate, and you will see the translated text pop up here. As right now we are in Chinese. If you do click this, you are given up to 150 different languages, where you can of course search your language. Simple as that. This is just simple Google Translate, but it is within the app, which is beautiful. Now you're also given voice cloning, where you can either record an audio clip of yourself or click to upload an audio file that you have set previously, and you can enter the voice name, and this could be pretty much a voice of either you, a sibling, whoever you want to respond to you when the actual INNAIO device is responding to you. If whatever or whoever you want to respond to you is set in voice cloning, then it will be that. You're also given call translation, which is pretty self-explanatory. You can just set your own language. You could set their language, there being the other person you are speaking to, and then just by simply clicking on video call, or voice call and video call, you will decide to hop on the call with the specific individual, and whatever language or whatever they speak, it will pop up on here, completely transcribed. There's also the face-to-face, which I've already tested out, as you could see. But just simply, if I, for example, I am in a international country and I will need help, I will just hold the black button back here and say, hello, where are the directions? And then let go, it will translate in Arabic.
مرحبا، أين هي الاتجاهات?
Now you could imagine how this would work. Not only will the person be able to read, but they will also hear the language. Now you can also switch the language to where now you can either click the button and let the person speak or let them use this in the back right here very, very quickly, and it will translate face to face, which is phenomenal and extremely convenient. You're also given the meeting where you can set up a meeting, of course, and I can just simply keep speaking. Hello, how are you? This is what we're going to be doing for the meeting, everybody. I just wanted to get this straight. And then I'll click on the sound wave to pause. And right over here, it will say spoken person 1. We can just simply click done. I could save the file. And as you can see, it has saved as minute 1512. By clicking on this, it will of course show us the transcripts of how many spoken persons it knows by the name. And there will be a mind map where you could generate. And as you could see, when generated, it shows you what the guest said, the name of the actual transcription, and what the person said in that said language. You could zoom in, you could zoom out, you could regenerate. And if there are multiple spoken people, then it would save on here, which is amazing for any meetings for you people. Now, my favorite part of the actual AIO app is their cross app feature, where you can just simply click this button, turn this to the side, click on here, go to the message app, and if I, for example, wanted to text my mother, I can just simply head on to here, go over here and use this feature where I can hold the button in the back and say, how are you, mom? I hope you're doing well. And then it will transcribe everything I just say.
كيف حالك يا أمي؟ أتمنى أن تكون بخير.
And simply send this in Arabic. You can also activate the voice memo feature where you can hold the button in the back and say, hello mom, how are you?
مرحبا أمي، كيف حالك؟
And then I can pause the actual voice memo and play it.
مرحبا أمي، كيف حالك؟
And send this over to my mom. And now you can imagine how voice cloning in the actual voice memo, which is phenomenal. This is why I recommend the INNAIO app Pro. So thank you guys so very much for watching, and I hope you all have a phenomenal day. Thank you guys.